Hi everyone! Today I am going to teach you how to find your ELA independent work on Google Classroom. The first thing that you need to do is open your computer and find Google Chrome on the bottom of your computer. Google Chrome looks like this. It has a green, yellow, red, and blue circle. When you find this, click on it. It will open up to our Eastern Lancaster County School District page. On this page, you will need to find Google Classroom. You can do this by scrolling down halfway on the page and looking for Google Classroom. Google Classroom has a picture of 3 people on a chalkboard. When you find this, click on it. It will open up to our Google Classroom page. You will need to find the classroom page for our ELA class. That is the orange one. It will say ELA Hollenbach 106. When you find this, click on it. This will bring you to our ELA homeroom page. When you are on this page, you need to go to the top where it says classwork. Click on this when you find it. On this page, it will have our different ELA independent work slides for the week. You need to find the week you are on and click on the red, blue, yellow, green, and orange dots. This will open up the slides of our independent work. When you find these, click on them. Our independent work slides are separated into days. Red dot for Monday, blue dot for Tuesday, yellow dot for Wednesday, green dot for Thursday, and orange dot for Friday. Today is Tuesday, so I'm going to click on the blue dot. My independent work for Tuesday is to complete the I Love to Read paper by cutting out and gluing the pictures next to their sentence. Next, number 2, I will watch the video of the alpha blocks. Number 3, I will practice my sight words by clicking on this blue rectangle. I know that my sight words for this week are move, learn, 8, house, only. When I am finished with this, I will click at the X at the top of the screen. When I am all finished with my sight words, I am going to go on to Epic. I know that I can get on Epic by clicking on the picture that says Epic. I will need to enter my classroom code and then I can start reading books. Remember, when you are all finished with your paper, the video, practicing your sight words, and Epic, you may go on to our green checkmark page on the side. This is our free choice page, and you can go on to anything on this page. Remember that you can't go on to the star page unless it's Fun Friday. If you need help, raise your hand and your teacher can help you.